Hey guys, it's me, Williams Fishing, also known as... it's me, also known as WCS123 if you subscribe to me. I'm in Stonehaven, which is just south of Aberdeen in Scotland, and we're just walking along Harbour Wall, like first day being here. Just drove up, 10-hour journey. I'm with my brother, my dad and my mum, and we're looking for some good spots to go mackerel fishing tomorrow, because we've got mackerel. We've already seen shoals of mackerel like down there. If you can see like the reef, I don't know if you saw that or not. There's a guy over there fishing, but we have told him that there's shoals of mackerel about, but he doesn't really want to do that area because he keeps getting caught up. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow morning. I know this is a fishing video, but just as we're walking back down, there seems to be a dinghy stuck out at sea. So the lifeboat's coming out, so I thought I'd film that for you guys. Getting a bit haywire. Oh, we're running. I'll see you in a minute. And we're running to try and make it. So we just got up to where the lifeboat is. This guy's running over there now. The lifeboat's just down here. Not a big one, just a small one. There it is. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. I'll just show you again. So I'll pause the clip. Just adding all the medical supplies in case like the guy's hurt.
Can you see the dinghy?
We're just gonna go around to the harbour wall with my brother to see the guy who's in the dinghy. I'm back up on the harbour wall watching the first part of the video, and here goes the lifeboatman. I'm just gonna go quickly catch up with them. Here they go.
We're going the wrong way.
And there go the people who saves people's lives without getting paid. The lifeboatman. So just made a few casts after losing one of my lines, and caught these.
Sick.
1, 2, and 3.
This one's bleeding like
Quite a
mad.
bloody mess, to be honest. About, what was that? Like my fifth cast out after a boat came in.
Done well there, mate. Oh.
3.
Oh,
It's quite long. It's probably about 2 pounds, a pound each. Dunno. Let me just pick this one up. I've got one here. Got one there. Got one here. Blood's going everywhere. Sorry mate, but you're gonna die.
Can I?
Right, I won't film the smacking of a fish because some people
You need a bag.
Can I?
don't like
That
it.
can
Yeah. No, they're really slimy, mate.
Please.
It's got on my phone at the moment.
Bring a carrier bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't think we were going to get anything, and he brings in 3 altogether. Nice.
Yeah.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Well, Lewis,
Don't touch that
run
bit,
down
Lewis.
Sorry, mate. I'm Lee, and this is Lewis and William.
Hello. Nice to meet you. I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour and 10 minutes since I caught the last fish. Tide's starting to go out now. We're thinking of leaving here at 7. It's now 22 minutes past 6. Me and my brothers have come over to the other side of the wall. My dad's just coming over now. He's fishing with bait this time, which some guy we met called Tom, who very kindly gave him some. My dad and Tom apparently saw some mackerel jumping over here. We haven't had any luck yet. been getting stuck on some reed, some like what do you call it? Seaweed, and like the bottom of the water quite a lot. But yeah, I thought I'd just keep you guys updated. See whenever I next catch fish.